think we're live. Are we live? Yes, we are live. Okay, let's see. Let the viewers join in. A minute early. So we are tilted.
Look, 5 minutes.
Oops. Sorry, guys. Yeah, okay, this is much better. Please, someone let me know if you can hear us. Anyone in the comments? Okay, they can hear us. Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Rida from Creative Kinder House, and on this Autism Awareness Day, I have a very special guest with me, Isba Khalid. She's a single mother who has a son with autism, and his son has been coming to our school for about
Almost 2 years now.
almost 2 years. So today we have her here to share her journey with us, and let's see how it goes. So Isba, please tell us a little about yourself. Introduce yourself.
Okay, so she already told you I'm a single mother. My son is almost 7 years old. I've been working in academia. I'm a university teacher for quite some time now. That's all that I do actually, and apart from raising my son.
Apart from raising
son, which is
I'm
like
sure a challenge,
that's
right?
like 90% kind of a job, and 10% is my actual work. And they have been really supportive,
Thank you.
really
Thank you so
helpful with my son. So thanks to you guys as well for
Thank you so much,
making him
Isma.
come this far.
Thank you for your trust. Actually, her son's name is Ateeb. He is a darling student of ours. We love him so much that it's hard to put it into words.
सबको शैतानियों से तंग किया है, अलग-अलग.
Yeah. Okay. So in the background, I'm sure you can hear.
Guys can hear him, so he's very excited.
He's amazing. So Ispa, I'm sure the viewers would love to know where this journey started. Please tell us when did you notice that Ateeb was slightly different from what maybe you had expected or something? Where did it start? And let's just begin from there.
मुझे याद है the first time I actually realized that something was actually, to be honest, I never realized there was something off. 2.5 साल का था one day, and he used to spin everything. 9 माह का था, 9 माह से ही, अभी चलता नहीं था. He used to crawl and he would like grab any circular object and he would start spinning it continuously for hours at a time. तो मैं कहती थी बाजी बड़ा टैलेंटेड बच्चा है मेरा, हर चीज़ स्पिन करता है, क्या बात है, ऐसा टैलेंट तो होता नहीं बच्चों में, इतना छोटा सा बच्चा अच्छी चीज़ें स्पिन कर रहा है. So one day, just like that, 2.5 साल का था Ateeb, I put it on Google कि my son spins everything. And the first thing that pops up is autism.
Okay.
Right? So I
And you had never heard of
never
autism
heard
before?
of autism, never heard of any kind of like learning disability. When मुझे थोड़ा सा ADHD, ADD का पता था obviously, but nothing other than that in children. So I opened that tab और उसमें there was a list of like I remember 11 or 12 symptoms.
Okay.
And मैंने एक symptom पढ़ा. He doesn't talk, okay, but लड़का है, बोल लेगा, 3 साल पे बोल लेगा, 4 साल पे बोल लेगा. आइंस्टाइन 5 साल पे बोला था, कोई बात नहीं ना.
So when he wasn't talking, you had this in your mind that he's gonna talk
later, exactly.
Okay.
Because इसमें वो imitation वो जो होती है ना, like आपको वो parrot कर रहा है, आपके actions parrot कर रहा है, nursery rhymes आपकी copy वो आप उनको action सिखा रहे हैं, wheels on the bus सिखा रहे हैं.
Yeah, everyone, there is Ateeb behind us. He's playing around, and my sister is engaging him.
Yeah, she's need to babysit him for now.
Yeah, so please.
So you can see the energy. Yeah, in the room
He's
right now.
a very active child, mashallah.
Very active. So yeah, so उसके बाद एक सिम्टम नोट किया, दूसरा नोट किया, तीसरा नोट किया, and I started realizing हर चीज़ है, अपना नाम नहीं सुनता, बात नहीं समझता, पॉइंट नहीं करता, आई कांटेक्ट नहीं है, बोलता तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. तो I just started observing slowly, and I saw those things, and that was the point. I was like, okay, I need to do something about this.
Okay, okay. So he was 2.5 years old.
Yeah.
To recount for you viewers, okay, he was 2.5 years old when Isba googled that her child spins almost everything.
Yeah.
Everything.
Yeah.
And the first thing she noticed on Google was, the first thing that popped up on Google was autism.
Yeah.
And when she read all the symptoms, she was like, okay, there is something there. So what did you do then? Did you go to a specialist, or what was the immediate?
I tried looking for specialists.
Okay.
I couldn't find any autism specialist in Pakistan, which was very heartbreaking. And I word of mouth से इधर उधर से पूछ के लोगों से आपको कुछ पता है, आपको कुछ पता है, because I belong to a family of doctors, तो इधर उधर पूछ के, so we found this doctor जो कि बच्चों का diagnosis करता था.
Okay.
So I took him there, and उसने proper like 1.5-2 घंटा लगा के under observation उसको रखा, टेस्ट किए, मुझसे सवाल किए. There was a whole questionnaire he had. He asked me all those questions जो कि आप लोग आपका standard procedure होता है diagnosis के लिए, वो सारा कुछ पूछा. And after that, he gave me the bleakest possible picture about my son's future.
Immediately.
एक तो आप immediately.
Okay.
एक तो आप चपेट लगा रहे हो पेरेंट्स के मुंह पे कि आपका बच्चा जो है ना ये ले जी, आपका बच्चे को हमने डायग्नोज कर दिया है, उसको तो ये है. और then he told me कि you should be ready for the worst, कि your son is never going to talk.
Okay.
He is never going to play with other kids. And मतलब कि बिल्कुल bleakest picture ना, like बिल्कुल आपके पैरों तले ज़मीन नहीं वो खींच देते, तो वो वाला उन्होंने मुझे जी, आप तो तैयार हो जाएं, आपका बेटा तो ना पूरी ज़िंदगी आप पे डिपेंडेंट रहेगा, वो कभी अपने आप से कुछ नहीं कर सकता, ये बाथरूम नहीं जा सकेगा, पूरी ज़िंदगी पैम्पर्स में रहेगा. तो देखिए वो काइंड ऑफ पिक्चर दैट यू कैन टेल अ पेरेंट कि आपका बच्चा बिल्कुल होपलेस है, ही इज़ जस्ट अ वेजिटेबल, और वो ऐसे ही पड़ा रहेगा. So I took that diagnosis and I went.
Sorry to interrupt you. I would just like to put it out there. That's not. Sorry, I think I don't have words for this. Everyone who is in the medical profession, when you are like looking at a child and you have her parents in front of you, I'm not saying you have to lie to them, but there is a way to communicate things. You don't just do that. You don't just like snatch the hope away. That's wrong. Be empathetic, okay? Be kind, and like just be human, please. Thank you.
Be human at least. Minimum up you can, what you can do is not take the hope away.
Yeah.
Just keep the hope intact. वो उसी से बंदा काम करता है ना. अब आपने किसी की उम्मीद ही खींच ली तो सब पता. So that's the thing.
So when you went to this doctor, were you alone? Did you have anyone with you to like your parents?
I had my mother with me at the
Okay.
time. She's the one who actually took the appointment and arranged everything, and she took me there. She drove me and my kid all the way there. So I had my mother. My mother was there.
Yeah, because the next question I would ask is how would you describe your challenges? What were the initial challenges you faced?
सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज जो मुझे पर्सनल आप उसमें कैपेसिटी में देखना चाहते हैं, द बिगेस्ट चैलेंज वाज डिनायल, फाइटिंग डिनायल. सबसे पहले आई थिंक जो जिनके सारों के बच्चे डायग्नोज हो चुके हैं विद लर्निंग डिसेबिलिटीज एंड अदर डिसऑर्डर्स, तो वो दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड द फैक्ट कि पहला स्टेप आपका होता ही डिनायल का है. लाइक कुछ नहीं होता, ठीक हो जाएगा, कोई ऐसी बात नहीं है, कोई नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट, अभी टाइम देते हैं, ये करते हैं, वो करते हैं. The first challenge was denial, overcoming denial. The second challenge was making other people overcome denial, and that included my family as well, my friends as well, the circle as well. Because आप उनको कहते थे यार ये ऐसा है ये वैसा है, तो they would say कि बिल्कुल ठीक है तुम ऐसी टेंशन ले रही हो, बिल्कुल ठीक है तुम ऐसी टेंशन ले रही हो. So the thing is,
And you faced this from like everyone,
yeah. And the thing is कि एक बंदा is already like going through so much and fighting so much, और अब उसके inner circle में भी if everybody is like कुछ नहीं होता है ना, तो लाइक वो थोड़ा सा अपना शैटर हो जाता है कि यार यहाँ से भी कोई सपोर्ट नहीं आ रही है, आई नीड समवन टू हेल्प मी गो थ्रू दिस ना. तो वो थोड़ा सा एक इनिशियल स्टेज था. एवरीबडी वाज फाइटिंग दैट डिनायल वाली फेज.
And how long would you say that lasted?
I think it lasted a few months for me. Yeah.
Yeah, the initial denial for you. He's 2.5 years old.
Yeah.
You've had him sort of tested, and you've realized that there is something. He
Yeah.
has autism.
Yeah.
So you had the initial few months of denial.
Yeah.
And how long did that denial last for, say, your circle, your familial circle?
I would say it was about a year. It lasted about a year. So we were fighting for about a year about it. Yes.
Okay. So, now you have overcome the denial, and your next challenge is to make sure that your family starts accepting
Yeah.
what's going on.
Yeah.
So while you were going through that phase, what were you doing? What would you say ke you Ateeb was going through? What were your plans for Ateeb? Sorry guys. Ateeb,
Immediately.
we
Sorry.
apologize for that. Some technical issues.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ateeb basically I started the therapies which were suggested by the said doctor.
And you started them at home.
No, I didn't start them at home. I had to take him to the hospital जहाँ पे वो services offer हो रही थी. The behavioral therapy and occupational therapy and the speech therapy. So I started those while I was fighting the denial.
While you were fighting the
So
denial.
my heart was not in it. So
Okay.
I would say that my heart was not in it. But I was like giving him the kind of help that I thought was the best for him at the time.
Okay. And let's start with those therapies. He's about 3 now, I think.
Yeah, he was about
Okay, he's
yeah.
about 3, and you started the therapies. Did you? Everyone knows, because you would know that therapies don't immediately give you the result. You have to like be consistent and patient. That's really important. But still, even though you have to give it time, after a little time, you start to notice things, right?
Exactly.
So, how long was he in therapies for, those initial therapies, and when did you notice the change, either positive or negative? We'll go into that, but when did you start noticing?
He went there for about 9 months, I believe, and that is the time when I started noticing that something was not right. एक छोटा सा कमरा है, जैसे मुर्गियों का डब्बा होता है, उसमें आप बच्चे को फंसा देते हो आधे घंटे के लिए, and then you are shouting at the kid because he's not listening to you. This is not therapy. I don't call it therapy. तो अतीब जो है ना, he is very sensitive because he cannot talk verbally, so he has his own way of communicating with the world, right? So वो हॉस्पिटल का गेट देख के साथ रोना शुरू हो जाता था, and he started getting bad and then worse और उससे ज़्यादा worse, and that's when I started realizing कि 9 महीने के खर्चे और मेहनत और ज़लील होने के बाद भी अगर मेरा बेटा ठीक नहीं हो रहा है और बुरा होता जा रहा है, it means this is not working. So that's
9 months.
9 months, yeah.
And you're saying that over there people shouted at him, and
They shouted at him and I confronted them and I said कि आप shout क्यों कर रहे हैं? वो करना पड़ता है, वो थेरेपी का हिस्सा होता है. मैंने कहा कोई थेरेपी ऐसी नहीं है जो मैंने पढ़ी है.
you do not shout at a child.
Yeah.
That's really
Does not
important.
matter they are neurotypicals or neurodiverse, you just do not shout at a child.
There are several techniques I would suggest the viewers, to those who are aware of them and even those who are not. Just look them up, ठीक है? In this era, आप काफ़ी कुछ, I know कि a lot of information can be overwhelming, but as a responsible citizen, I think it's our duty to at least be, like generally aware कि आप decency से किस तरह जो है ना अगले इंसान को treat कर सकते हो. So yeah, we will continue this. I'm reading your comments, and thank you so much for all the love that's being poured in. Khatija Fatma, yes, what do you, Khatija, would you like to? What is this?
He wants to be
That's
part of the
amazing.
session.
Yeah. Ateeb, do you want to introduce yourself, baby?
He will say hi.
You can say hi.
You want to say hi? Idhar se.
Either say. Come. Okay. So, excuse me, guys. Just give us a minute. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So yeah, I was in the reading the comments. Khatija, you were saying exactly small cabins and loud voices of therapists. If you would like to expand on that and tell your experience or anything, so we would love that. Please write it in the comments below. Mariam Farhad Ali, shouting is not at all a solution. Exactly. Shouting is not a solution. So. After 9 months, you stopped the therapies there.
Yeah.
He would be about 3.5, 4 years old.
He was 4 saal ka
हाँ. What next? What did you do next?
Okay, so I started doing everything at home. I ordered books, EBA pe, journal autism pe, therapy pe, behavioral therapy pe, play therapy pe. I ordered books after books after books, and I started reading and learning things on my own. YouTube se thodi si help li, joined multiple groups on Facebook, support groups, and I would ask questions there because I couldn't find anybody reliable.
So
enough.
you were I would from my understanding, you were going through the phase ke now I have to do everything on my own.
My own, exactly.
You couldn't find anyone
I
trustworthy.
couldn't rely on anybody. I couldn't trust anybody with my
Would you
kids.
say ke at that time your thought processes were like, I'm done with the professionals, I'm going to do everything on my own?
Yes, that was it. That was it. I was like, I'm done.
So I think the big question here also arises: ke how did you discover Creative Kinder House, and what made you give it a go, give it a try?
So he was 3.5, probably 4, almost 4 years old. Somebody added me to this WhatsApp group. I remember, and it was a very closely knit group of parents with mothers, basically, of kids who had autism, and. They were talking about the admins, they were talking about starting a school. Really good people, and really helpful parents as well. So I was part of that WhatsApp group jahan pe Creative Kinder it was actually given birth to. Very honored to be a part of that group.
Oh.
So that's where I heard about it.
Okay.
And tab I was like, okay, I need to give this a try.
You need to give this a
Yeah.
try. And Alhamdulillah, I think we must be doing something right.
You guys are amazing. No, really, it's for everybody out there. मैंने बहुत सारी mothers को Creative Kinder introduce करवाया है.
Thank you.
I don't know if any of you is listening right now, but मैंने बहुत parents को introduce करवाया है. इसीलिए वो जब भी मुझसे आके Twin Cities की पूछते हैं तो I'm always like I do not trust anyone. Even के diagnosis के लिए भी I always send people to them कि diagnosis भी करवाना है तो पहले go meet them first. So इतना ज़्यादा trust मेरा बैठा है. So yeah, they are definitely doing something.
Sorry guys, but you're used to it right now. I would just like to put in here that we do not apply any tests for the diagnostic purposes. We do give our observations to parents, what we have noticed,
And they will guide you.
and we will
Where to
guide
go,
you
what to do.
as Ati, do you want to show your face, beta?
इधर आए सर सामने को.
So yeah, we will guide you to the best of our abilities and suggest see where to go forward from that. I'm just gonna read a comment here for you guys. I have been to such place where Abdullah experienced same. This comment is from Khatija Fatma. Abdullah is her son. Sadly, but place like KKH where you enter and feel you in some playland. Thank you so much, Fatma. And Alhamdulillah, people who I'm sorry, I don't think I completely understand the comment, but thank you so much for all the love and support. So, Ispa, in all the challenges, I'm sure there were several. What would you say was the hardest thing in all these years? Atib is he's almost 7. He's almost 7.
Yeah.
So 7 years. What would you say is the hardest thing?
The hardest thing is to be honest, is fighting. Fighting for a place for my son in this world बिकॉज ऐसी दुनिया जहाँ पे एक तो अवेयरनेस ही नहीं है. जब आपको अवेयरनेस ही नहीं है तो आप में एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं है. जब आप में एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं है तो आप में एम्पैथी नहीं है. So fighting for a place for him in this world, like fighting for a place for him in a playground, in any social setting, anywhere I go, even to a grocery store, I have to fight for him, and I have been fighting for him for a very long time. So I think social acceptance of kids with different abilities is the hardest challenge that I have to face, and I still face. And I'm sure
You're still going.
most of the parents face that as well alongside me.
Yeah, but it's still. I would like to put in there that all of you mothers who are going through so much every day for their child, and you don't give up. You keep on going. You're going. Hats off to you. You're doing an amazing job. I don't know if you have heard it today, yesterday, but hear it from me today that you are doing an amazing job.
Good.
From these challenges and talking about giving up, did you ever feel like giving up? And if yes, why?
Okay, there was this very public meltdown that we've had. Majority लोगों को नहीं पता होगा जिनके neurotypicals हैं. Okay, I'm coming.
Just give her a minute, Ateeb, please. She'll be right there.
But it was a very public meltdown at a park, and he refused to come.
How
in our
long ago?
house. It was like 2 years ago. This was 2 years ago, and it was a really bad meltdown. And I was alone. I had no one, no friends, no family around. मैं इसको park लेके गई हुई थी. A regular park visit that we go to every day. And something triggered him, and there was a huge meltdown. And I had to like take care of that because I'm sure ज़्यादा लोगों को पता नहीं होगा meltdown होता क्या. It's like it's all over the place. The kid is out of control. You can't control them, and वो टांगे मारे लाते मारे. It's just mess. It's just a mess. So I was struggling with him, and at points I was actually dragging him towards the car so that I could just put him in the car and lock the car. And I did that, and I broke down there. And I was like, अभी तो छोटा है तो चलो मैं गोद में उठा के कुछ करके इसको गाड़ी में बांध देती हूँ. जब ये बड़ा हो जाएगा, when he grows up and he's taller and he's obviously stronger, what am I going to do then? Will I be able to do this alone? Will I always have to do this alone? So at that point I was like, okay, maybe, you know what? The therapies aren't working, nothing is working, and I'm like, okay, let's just, give up. This is it.
How did you pull through that? Because you did, and we are glad you did. Everyone is like really, it's amazing. But how did you like pull yourself from there? You were alone, and you had broken down. So what gave you strength?
I actually started putting myself in his shoes. I was like, I can talk. I have the ability to think. I can do everything on my own. I'm an independent person, right? I am not dependent on another person for anything, for any kind of help. So I started putting myself in my kid's shoes. Okay, imagine how hard it must be for him. The world is not making any sense.
Yeah.
You cannot talk. You cannot tell somebody what hurts where. You cannot tell them you're thirsty. You cannot tell them you need food. You cannot tell them you need to go to the bathroom. So imagine how hard it must be for this little kid, and he's handling it so well. So what excuse do I have? I have absolutely no excuse to be acting the way that I am. So it was actually my son who pulled me through it when I started putting myself in his shoes, and that helps. 100% एक्स्ट्रा टिप है आप सबके लिए. स्टार्ट थिंकिंग कि अगर ये बच्चे इतने स्ट्रांग हैं, they're making it like through every day with all the challenges that they face, तो हमारे पास क्या excuse है? हमारे पास कोई excuse नहीं.
Exactly, you're right. I mean, and not only for people with different needs, लेकिन आप नॉर्मल अपनी लाइफ में भी अगर आप देखें ना, तो हर कोई ये कहते हैं ना कि यार ट्राई टू पुट योर सेल्फ इन देयर शूज. तो जब हम तब ये कर सकते हैं, तब अगर हमारी अप्रोच ये है, तो आई वॉन्ट टू आस्क द सोसाइटी के वाई डोंट यू अप्लाई दिस, why don't you apply this method of thinking to these children?
Yes, exactly.
Why does it change over there or stop over there? मतलब अगर आप अपने सर्कल में न्यूरोटिपिकल for neurotypical people, if that is your approach, so why does that approach change for special needs?
Exactly.
It should
Very
not.
good point. Very good point.
Right?
Very good point.
मतलब ये एक कॉमन सी बात है. It's all about at the end of the day being human.
आप खुद एम्पैथी एक्सपेक्ट करते
Expect-
हो
exactly.
पर जब देने का टाइम आता है तो
Whenever we are in a bad mood or anything is going wrong, it's a very simple thing. We expect the others to just give us a moment, give us a breathing moment, and try to understand what we are going through.
और इनके लिए हमारे पास पेशेंस नहीं होता.
इनके लिए patience नहीं है. They're just kids, so have patience, have some like compassion, some empathy, and try to imagine what they're going through. Let's read some comments. Mariam Farhad Ali is saying the lack of awareness in our society is one of the hardest issues. Exactly. There's a need for more institutes, research centers, sessions, workshops to make general people aware. True, Mariam. I would also say start with maybe starting with workshops is nice to give a general sort of input, and those people who attend those workshops, I hope after that you are more inclined to do your research, do your homework, and learn more about it. People are saying hi, Isba, and
Hi guys.
you are doing an amazing job. Lots of love to you.
Thanks.
Yeah, we have a question. We'll take a question. Ispa, do you have days when you want a day off from your baby?
Every other day. Every other day. I need a break. Every day is really hard. Yes, we do need a break. And I would like to highlight this point for every parent that you should not feel bad for wanting a break. And you do deserve a break. And you should get a break. वरना वो ही ना burnout हो जाते हो. So
Exactly.
yeah. So please do plan like some थोड़ा सा resting period for yourself. It could be 1 hour or 2 hours just away from your kid, son, daughter, whatever. But do plan something for yourself on the side so that you don't burn out. So yeah.
The burning out point. Remember, if you burn out, you are not doing your child any good.
Yeah.
Right? You need and if you do burn out, sometimes it's okay, because again that is also human. You need to remember that you are human, okay? And you have emotions. Some will be positive, some will be negative, but that's life. So it's okay. Don't blame yourself. A lot of the parents who come to us, I just want to put it out there that guilt is one of the prime emotions they feel, and we try to like convey to them the best way possible ke it's okay.
Yeah.
It really
it's okay
is.
to be human.
It's okay to
It's
be
okay
human.
to be
As long as the child, all the child needs is your consistency, your love. So, and they can feel your acceptance. So the work you're doing with them, that's amazing. So share a happy memory with us about Ateeb. Share one of your favorite memories.
Okay, so Ateeb does not like being very, lovey-dovey, very cuddles and hugs and kisses. He does not like being touched. So to show affection, it's very hard to teach him affection and to show affection towards him as well. Na? So काफी अरसे से मैं इसको सिखा रही थी बोलना ना love you. So he wasn't saying it back. I wanted him to say it back. He would just smile and he would laugh and he would acknowledge the fact that he has heard me say love you, but he would not say it back. So one day I was just मैंने कहा आज तो मैं इसके पीछे पड़ जाऊँगी, आज तो इसमें से बुलवा करूँ. So I was saying love you. Ateeb, please say it back. Say you love mama. So he comes up to me and he screams W. So he's not very verbal, but he tried to say it back and he said W. So from today onwards, we don't say love you, we just say W if you want to express love. So that's one of my fondest memories.
That's really sweet. That's really amazing. And other than this, how do you say कि Ateeb shows you affection?
He just comes and touches me like this. Like you did good job, mama. That's his way of, because he doesn't like hugging or he doesn't like kissing now, so he just comes and touches me some way. Mama, you did a good job. I'm happy
That's
with
so
you.
cute.
Yeah.
That's so
that's
cute.
big in our
Yeah, no,
setup.
that's amazing.
Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah.
And for everyone, Ateeb is Ateeb lets you know okay, how he feels about you, you know? And I am one of the lucky people in this world who
Yeah, he loves you.
receives-
He really. At moments, I think he loves her more than he loves me. And I'm not even joking, and I'm not just saying it to her face. I've told that to a lot of people. कि वो अपनी टीचर से ज़्यादा attached है instead of his own mother, which is true. But yeah.
Thank you so much. But yeah, I was just saying that Ateeb has taught me a lot as well, you know, because I feel his love. I feel the connection, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's one of the
Because you made an effort to make that connection now. That's the thing as well. That you made the effort. Yeah.
So it's amazing. Let's read some comments. Hello Rida teacher, this is Suleiman. I am enjoying learning about autism from your live show. Thank you so much, Suleiman. And yeah, let me just put this out there as well. Most of you would know that at Creative Kinder House we believe in inclusion, right? So we believe that from a very young age it's important to know about autism, because it's the adults basically what we feel that put discrimination through, right?
Yeah.
Children are simple, they don't care, okay? So it's the children, it's the next generation. I feel that if from the early age we let them know, let them be more aware, you know, of this, so we can change,
Yeah.
in short. So it's really important to teach your child, okay, to all the
Accept all kinds of kids. Yeah.
everything,
Yeah.
you know, to accept someone, क्योंकि I think कि उसके बाद this when this happens, तो आप पे वो labels की distinction खत्म हो जाएगी ना. A child is a child, ठीक है, and love every child, guys. Okay, so let's see a few more comments. Ispa, you spoke about burnout. What do you do to chill?
I take a coffee break actually. I drop off Ateeb at Rida ke paas. Then I go have my cup of coffee, and I'm a huge reader, so I take my book with me. और वो जो 2 घंटे मेरा recharge होता है ना, that's enough for another month. So that's what I do for the burnout.
I am really glad I can help you out. Ateebu. Okay, so let's take another question. Do you think beside your efforts, your education or having the mediums to explore the problem help you out? Besides your efforts, your education or having the mediums to explore? Because we see many such parents that attach superstitious notions to it, especially in religious. So do you think that your education helped you basically?
To be honest, my education only took me so far. Let me tell you why. Because वो जो सोचे हैं ना, वो कि साया है, और वो जो हमारी जो हम कहते हैं इलिटरेट लोगों की सोचें होती हैं, वो मेरे ज़हन में भी आई हैं और डाली भी गई हैं. And the thing is कि we all go, हम हर तरह का parents जो है, I think goes through that phase as well, because out of desperation. To be honest, we go through that phase out of desperation. कि हाँ यार फलाने पी से भी
So
मनवा
basically
लो.
you just need an answer, right?
Yeah,
Someone
you're
to
just
give you-
looking for a solution, and that's the worst thing that you can do to your kid. The worst possible thing, not accepting them for who they are. That's the worst thing that you can do. So, वो ना एजुकेशन वगैरह वो सब आप भूल जाते हो उस वक्त कुछ काम नहीं आ रहा होता है. Then you're going through the denial वाली phase ना, कि बस कोई जादू की पुड़िया मिल जाए, and you're, you know, so you're absolutely fine again.
And again, going a bit off topic, acceptance is really important, okay? No matter your child has autism, ADHD,
Just a neurotypical
kid. Please accept your child, okay? Try to understand what they're going through, because if the child feels that, they're gonna connect to you and they're gonna be open to you. They're gonna tell you what's wrong. And talking in a parental relationship, I would say, is really, really important. Ispa, what do you feel are the challenges in Pakistan for autism? The challenges other parents face. We have heard about your challenges, but just like, what do you see as the general challenge?
मेरे पास जो पेरेंट्स इस तरह के जिनसे मैंने बात की है, जो हमारा सर्कल है, जो हमारी कम्युनिटी है ऑटिज्म की और पेरेंट्स की, उसमें सबसे पहले जो सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज है ना वो है वी डू नॉट हैव एनी सेंट्रल बॉडी फॉर डायग्नोसिस. तो जब आपके पास कोई स्पेशलिस्ट ही अवेलेबल नहीं है, आपके पास कोई सेट रूल्स नहीं है, कोई ऑब्जर्वेशन रूम नहीं है, दिस नथिंग. लोग ब्लाइंडली कभी एक डॉक्टर के पास जा रहे, कभी दूसरे डॉक्टर के पास जा रहे, नॉट इवन रियलाइजिंग कि डॉक्टर तो डायग्नोज करता ही नहीं है. सो यू नो दैट्स द फर्स्ट थिंग कि आपके पास डायग्नोसिस की ही कोई बॉडी ही नहीं है, कोई सेंट्रल बॉडी ही नहीं है, आपके पास कोई इंस्टीट्यूशन नहीं है. दूसरी बात, देयर आर नो ट्रेन्ड थेरेपिस्ट एज सच जो कि सिर्फ ऑटिज्म के साथ डील कर रहे हैं. मतलब कि वही जो थेरेपिस्ट है वो डाउन सिंड्रोम के बच्चों को डील कर रहा होगा, वही थेरेपिस्ट सीपी के चाइल्ड को डील कर रहा होगा, वही थेरेपिस्ट ऑटिज्म के बच्चे को, वही एडीएचडी के. सो देयर इज नो स्पेशलाइजेशन. सो विच इज़ अ ह्यूज स्ट्रगल फॉर एवरी पेरेंट. वो डाउन सिंड्रोम के पेरेंट के लिए भी स्ट्रगल है, वो मेरे से पेरेंट्स के लिए भी स्ट्रगल है, बिकॉज इज नो सेंट्रल स्पेशलाइज्ड सिस्टम फॉर थेरेपिस्ट और देयर ट्रेनिंग और देयर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. अवेयरनेस की बात तो हम बहुत ही कर चुके हैं.
हाँ.
वो तो सबसे बड़ी बात है ना कि वो अवेयरनेस ही नहीं है.
लेकिन इवन आफ्टर द अवेयरनेस रिसोर्सेज की कमी
रिसोर्सेज की कमी है, इंस्टीट्यूट्स नहीं है, अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूट्स नहीं है. हर किसी ने बाहर ऑटिज्म वो लगा दी, ऑटिज्म सेंटर, एंड दे जस्ट मनी मेकिंग मशीनरीज, नथिंग एल्स. दे नॉट एक्चुअली हेल्पिंग योर किड. तो ये बहुत बड़े चैलेंजेस है, मेजर
चैलेंजेस. एग्जैक्टली. अभी आपने बात की ना कि थोड़ा सा यू जस्ट पुट इट इन देयर कि योर कम्युनिटी.
या
Tell us about your community now, because initially you told us na ke there was a lack of acceptance. How do you feel that has changed?
I think that 1 year that I wasted on useless therapies, now that changed a lot in my life as well. I have a very, very close set of friends now, very close, and they are very supportive. मतलब कि मुझे कहीं लड़ाई करने के लिए गुंडे भी चाहिए हो ना तो मेरे दोस्त जमा हो जाएंगे, like उस लेवल के. And they absolutely love and adore Ateeb. They are very accepting of the fact कि उसके differences हैं, वो कैसे हैं. Even if I ask them कि वो सारा प्लान बना रहे होते हैं अपना ना कि यहाँ मिलेंगे, जैसे वो you're planning to meet with your friends ना, they always plan to meet at a place जहाँ Ateeb comfortable होता है. So they always ask me first कि जी Ateeb कहाँ comfortable है, हम वहाँ जाके मिलते हैं. So I have friends like that. My family is absolutely beautiful. Every step of the way, they have been there for me. My sisters, they're practically more of a mother to him than I am.
Yeah, I was gonna ask that. How would you describe your sister's relationship with yours?
Really, like मैं अपनी बहन को भी तक कहती हूँ ये कि मैं ख़त्म भी हो गई तो I don't worry because she's around. So my sisters, I'm actually more of a mother and more protective towards him than I am. I mean, I'm not exaggerating. So Alhamdulillah, मेरा अब जो circle है, and I think your circle helps you grow as well.
Exactly.
हाँ, जब आपका circle supportive होता है ना, that's when you start seeing positive changes in yourself, in your kid as well, because kids absorb that energy.
Kids absorb their positive energy.
They do.
And that's like, I would say, the highlight of this. They need positive energy around them. You won't. Even if you're giving your child the best of therapies, but they're getting a negative energy around them at home,
they're not going to flourish. It doesn't work.
Yeah.
Speaking from experience.
Let's go back to the comments a bit.
What this?
Hi, Miss Frida and Mommy. I want to ask, what is it that Ateeb really enjoys?
He loves dance. He loves swinging. He loves jumping, trampoline. ये इसकी सारी favorite चीजें हैं.
Let's not forget coloring now.
Coloring now.
Guys,
as well.
at one time, Ateeb would not touch colors.
Exactly, and that's one of the things that KKH has done. That I think I told you Rida a year ago. मैंने कहा Rida इसको नफरत है art से. So इसको force मत करना कि ये colors करे. तो कहती है अब तो मैं करके दिखाऊंगी.
मैंने कहा आप ठहरे जरा.
कहती है अब तो मैं करके दिखाऊंगी. And now you can't like take the pages. I think my friends and all the people who follow my blog, they also know कि Ateeb तो हर वक्त he's like coloring all the time now, mashallah. So thank you for that.
Thank you. You're welcome. If you want to know more about Ateeb's quirks, you can say learn more about him. Please visit Ispa on Instagram. She is very engaging, and we love the little tidbits she shares about Ateeb. Okay, so we have done that. That's why we need to have more and more institutes and research centers. Exactly, Mariam, you're right. We need like awareness is done. We know what's wrong, and ठीक है, acceptance भी आ रही है. But what to do after that? Well, create resources.
Wow.
What I see in this video is love and only love. You both are out of this world. May Allah bless you many folds.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
So sweet.
Thank you so much. Because like Isba said, when your circle grows, it helps, like the positive circle, it helps you grow as a person. And I think I can safely say from all of my team's side as well, we also need your trust and your support, because your feedback is what helps us grow as well. It helps us give your child the best possible care, realistically speaking. Never rely on just one doctor's diagnosis. You're right, Sadra. Second opinion is always important, but as Ispa said, कि it's
वो पहला ही अच्छा हो तो दूसरे के पास जाने की जरूरत ना पड़े.
एक तो वो बात ये कि we need a system and a proper system.
Trained professionals who are designated for this job.
How? Please tell me, how did you make him in love with colors?
KKH ले आए आप रिदा के पास.
So I spend a lot of time with Ateeb because he's with me in the afternoon. KKH has also started an afternoon care program. So I play with him a lot. I interact with him a lot. Because in the beginning, even if the child is not sort of interacting back, you cannot stop. You need to interact. And I basically just become a child with him. And I'm like, आपने नहीं कलरिंग करनी, मैं कलर करती हूँ. तो पहले तो मैंने इसको भी बिठाया, खुद भी बैठी. मैंने कहा मुझे देखो, आप नहीं कर रहे लेकिन बैठे रहोगे आप. So that's one of the things I built a connection with him basically.
Yeah, that's important.
Yeah.
The kid needs to trust you first. और वो सेफ बंदे को ही ट्रस्ट करता है. अगर आपने उसको वो सेफ एनवायरनमेंट दिया हुआ है तो बच्चा आपको ट्रस्ट करता है.
Brown and yellow.
Thank you.
Brown.
Let's move on with the comments, because I'm really happy. Thank you so much everyone for being so interactive. New people are doing great. Keep up good work. Thank you so much.
Yellow.
Did he like to even scribble on that time?
No
नहीं ना?
no scribbling.
No
He wouldn't
scribbling,
even
guys.
touch a pen, pencil, कुछ भी नहीं करता था.
And with the help of his teacher's name is Sumaya. Thank you. He has started to write numbers and letters as well.
Letters now.
She worked really hard with him.
Yes, Sumaya, thank you. This is a shout out to you as well.
And she worked really hard with him, and now he loves number 3. Just saying. Yeah. He loves number 3. Is he improved after therapies at KKH? Academically improved. I sort of kind of answered that. Academically improved. He has good recognition.
Started writing, yes. He recognizes letters and numbers.
Yeah.
Counting आती है, ABC सुना देता है.
And now he
colors,
started writing.
Shapes, yeah. And Alhamdulillah, he started writing now. So yes, huge improvement.
I think I also have one question. How important would you feel is academic development? What's
ये बड़ा controversial
It is a very controversial question. Sorry.
I'm one of those parents who actually do not care at all about academics. ठीक है?
Wow.
Because I wanted my
सारे colours
son
कर लिए हमने.
to grow into a happy child, जिसके basic life skills आते हों. मेरा target ये था. वो academically develop किया है आप लोगों ने बोले था बात है.
Thank you.
But yeah, if you want them to be independent, तो एटलीस्ट उनको लिखना पढ़ना थोड़ा सा बेसिक, so that even when you are gone and you are not around, or even for themselves, they can maybe work later on and have a job. So in that term, it's very important, yes. But you also have to realize कि आपके बच्चे का caliber क्या है. ठीक है. So pushing your child and forcing your child कि जी तुम ABC भी पढ़ो और 1 2 3 भी लिखो, I don't care about anything else, is actually that is going to have a very negative impact. Ateeb actually started learning academics और वो सारा after I stopped pushing him to do so. So please be very careful about it.
Yeah, I mean, to as she said, कि to a certain extent,
Yeah.
it needs to be done. But I would suggest कि I would suggest कि आप जो है ना please life skills पे focus करें.
Life skills are very important.
What we promote at KKH as well. कि try to make your child as independent as realistically possible. You
do
have
that.
to be realistic.
Academics को छोड़ दे, वो आ जाते हैं.
वो आ
साथ-साथ
जाएगा.
It's like please treat it as a वो साइड पे छोटी सी गाड़ी नहीं होती जो बग्गी से लगी होती है, उसको उस तरह ट्रीट करें. पर इंजन जो है ना आपका, वो लाइफ स्किल्स होना चाहिए हमेशा.
Yes, remember that. इस पर what advices वैसे हमने भी काफी दी है, but to sort of wrap it up, what would you say to all the mothers out there?
Stop trying to change your kid. Your kid does not need changing. You need to accept them as they are. First thing. Stop trying to change them. इनको
Very
कोई
good. I
कोई ऐसी
understand.
इनमें कोई खामी नहीं है, कोई कमी नहीं है कि जो आपने इनको फिक्स करना है, आपने इनको ठीक करना है, आपने इनको no, you are going to help them improve, but you're not going to fix them. पहले तो ये चीज़ अपनी ज़हन से निकालें.
अपना framework. You have to adjust your own framework.
And then please work on yourself. These kids are absolutely मतलब कि बहुत ज़्यादा इनका sensitive होता है because ये बोलते कम हैं, they are like mute and they are like in their own world. तो ये अपने इर्द गिर्द की चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा observe करते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा absorb करते हैं. So even if you are not shouting, even if you are not like hitting your child or anything like that, the kid is absorbing the energy that you are reflecting. तो पहले अपने issues address करें. Go to therapy yourself if you need it. Have a good circles. अपने burnout को control करने की कोशिश करें. Distractions रखें अपने लिए time out रखें. But address your issues first if you want to help your child. This is the second biggest advice that I'll give. Because the kid does not grow up to be happy if he is not given a happy environment.
Yeah.
If the parents are not happy.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I would just like to sort of add on to what she said कि you cannot work on your child if you do not work on yourself.
Yourself first, yes.
ठीक है. अपने आप को after accepting that you're human and you're going to make mistakes, ठीक है, don't forget that you are going to make mistakes. But after that acceptance, you have to see okay, what can I do now? ठीक है. When you work on yourself, then you work on your child, and inshallah, you will get results. You will have
Great results and fast results as well. Don't worry, they're coming.
Okay, we have another question. On which age he became potty trained and how? What was your experience?
अच्छा, आई डू नॉट अगेन मैं मेरी बहुत जो है ना कॉन्ट्रोवर्शियल चीज़ें इस मामले में ना जैसे भी एकेडमिक्स के मामले में कॉन्ट्रोवर्शियल व्यू है मेरा. आई डोंट लाइक एकेडमिक्स, आई डोंट फोर्स माई सन टू बी लाइक वेरी गुड इन एकेडमिक्स. वो सारा पॉटी ट्रेनिंग में आई डिड नॉट फोर्स हिम. ही वॉज पॉटी ट्रेन एट 5 years of age. और डे में पहले हुआ था, नाइट में बाद में हुआ था. बट आई डिड नॉट पुश हिम. आई वेटेड फॉर हिम टू टेल मी दैट ही इज़ रेडी नाउ. और बच्चे के अपने साइंस होते हैं. ही स्टार्टेड रिमूविंग his pamper, that's अपना diaper remove कर. That's how I knew that okay, now he's not comfortable, he wants to be trained. That's when I started training him. So please wait for your kid to reach that stage जहाँ पे वो comfortable हो, क्योंकि फिर 3 दिन में train हो गया था ये 3 days. So
That was her experience. So please remember कि
हर बच्चा different.
हाँ.
Is a very मैं share कर दूँ रिदा. There's a very common saying in autism community. If you have met one person with autism, you have met one person with autism. So no 2 kids with autism are the same. So अगर आप मेरे बेटे से मिल रहे हैं, वो 180 degree opposite होगा दूसरे बच्चे से, and वो दूसरा बच्चा तीसरे बच्चे से 180 degree opposite है. So they're not the same.
Exactly. So while it is important to have your community share your experiences, please don't completely rely on another person's experiences because yours might be
ये
completely
उसका 3 साल में
opposite.
बोल रहा था, मेरा नहीं बोला है.
हाँ, please stop
pushing.
Yes,
Stop forcing and
we
pushing
forgot
things.
to discuss this, point it out, कि please don't compare your child with other children,
It's
okay?
actually how you kill your child.
अपने चाइल्ड की प्रोग्रेस जब आप दूसरे चाइल्ड के साथ कंपेयर कर रहे होते हैं ना, एंड देन यू स्टार्ट सॉर्ट ऑफ यू गो इन ओवर ड्राइव, ठीक है, अपने बच्चे को आप पुश करना शुरू हो जाते हैं एंड योर चाइल्ड फील्स दैट, और प्रोग्रेस छोड़े वो कंप्लीट रिग्रेशन स्टार्ट हो जाती है. सो वी डू नॉट वांट दैट. And Ateeb is having a lot of fun. So guys, if you have any more questions, please let us know. Otherwise, we will sign out. Isba, it has been a pleasure. Thank you so much.
Great to be a part of your team. Really, thank you, Sabine and Sumaya and everybody listening. Thank you so much, KKH family. You guys have been immensely helpful. Thank you.
KKH is. I would just like to sort of point it out there that, as you all know, Ma'am Sabine, the owner of the place, it was her dream. It is her dream to help as many kids as possible, and she has given us, you know, a direction and our purpose. Because I'm sure everyone at KKH wants to help the kids, and we have our own reasons, we have our own stories, and to all of our reasons, to all of our purpose, she gives the push. She believes in us so much that it is also because of her that we work so hard for.
She's wonderful.
She's amazing. Okay, so we have another question. Can he recognize you, his teachers or others?
Yes.
Isba, please answer that.
Yes. Actually, वो रिदा की तस्वीर देख के तो बोलता है, उसका नाम बोलता है रिदा. So yeah, he does recognize people, or the favorite बंदे, he recognizes them. Yes.
This live video is from my place. We are at my place, and because Ateeb has been here before, he knew where to go.
हाँ.
So
He actually ran away from me, lift से, because he knew कि ये वाला घर है और इस दरवाजे में मैंने जाना है अंदर.
So yeah, he
Wow.
recognizes people. He recognizes his primary teacher. He recognizes me. He recognizes all the people at school, in fact.
Yeah.
So that's alhamdulillah not an issue we face. So yeah, I think we're done with the comments. Thank you everyone so much for joining us. Thank you for being so interactive. Thank you Isba for joining
Thank
us.
you for having me.
And thank you Ateeb for all the amazing background you provided. So we will sign off now, and
Thank you, guys.
if there are any further questions, please leave them in the comments. We will try our best to answer them. If you have any questions for Isba, again leave them in the comments, and she will respond, or we will ask her to please respond. Thank you so much. Allah
Thank you
Hafiz.
guys. Allah Hafiz.